Hello, in this video I want to show you how to hard reset Arris router without any configuration website, just doing it remotely. And to do this, you will need to look on the back of your router. You should see reset button right there. Now take something thin like a seam needle I have right here. Stick it in that gap and press it. You will need to also hold it for around 30 seconds until the LED lamp right here starts flashing. So let's do that. Okay, so the LED lamps just flashed, and that means factory reset is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.